Hey, what's up everybody? Chevy Dave here with my June newsletter and things going on here at Deien Chevrolet. So down here and below there's a link here to register to win some all-inclusive St. Louis Cardinal tickets. So I'm doing this exclusively for all my customers. So click on the link, fill out the form, and you will get registered into that contest. And you will also receive an email after that on how to gain extra entries into this contest. So also, if you have not known, or if you have not seen on our Facebook pages or on our website, the Black Widow Silverado trucks are finally here. If you don't know what a Black Widow Silverado truck is, check out my Facebook page or my YouTube channel, and you'll see some good information on that. So Black Widow trucks are Silverados that are lifted. They got all kinds of cool accessories and stuff on them. So we're super excited. They're going to be in all the parades. They're coming up in the June Jamboree parade here coming up, and then we're going to be, I think, in the other parades for the 4th of July coming up. So we're going to have them in every parade. So be a lookout on those. We're hand out stuff. You can win a free detail and stuff through at the parades as well. So keep an eye out for our Black Widow trucks at the parade. Also, Chevy just announced that they have a brand new first responder supplier pricing discount. So if you are a paid or volunteer firefighter, police officer, or EMS first responder, you get supplier pricing plus rebates. So this is a huge deal. They just announced this at the beginning of June. So if you are a first responder, hit us up. If you have any questions, we'll help you out with that on how to get that information and save some money on a brand new Chevy vehicle. Also, right now we have up to 24% off our LT model Silverados. This is 24% off, up to 24% off MSRP pricing on our Silverados. They ran this at the beginning of the month on our LTZ trucks, and we sold out our stock of LTZ trucks. So we don't have any more on our lot right now. We're trying to get more, but we do have some LT trucks. So if you're in the market for a truck, this is the time to buy. They do not do this very often, so you do not want to miss out on this special incentive and save some money if you're in the market for a truck. Also, I still have my postcards. They're still going out. Sorry guys, we've just been extremely busy and I haven't got them out to all of my customers, but if you get one of these in the mail, bring it in. You can save 20% off a detail just by coming in and taking a test drive on a vehicle, and get your car cleaned up for the summer, and you don't want to save some money there as well. Also, register here at the dealership. We have a trip for two to Cabo, compliments of the 97.5 WDLJ radio station in Carlisle. So you can come into the dealership and register for that. And also we're having a blood drive here coming up July 23rd. So help possibly save somebody's life by donating blood here at our dealership on July 23rd. If you want more information on that, feel free to message me, or email me, or give me a call, and I can get you some more details on that. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media links. The links are below in this email as well. So on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. My YouTube is my big channel that I'm trying to grow. So make sure you follow me and see some cool videos. I got some good how-to videos and also some reviews of vehicles that we have available here at our dealership. Also, make sure you check out my product of the month, which is the Cyber Cleaning Compound. It is available through Amazon, and there's a link below to get that. So once again, this is Chevy Dave here with my June newsletter information. So this is everything going on here at Deien Chevrolet, and make sure you follow me on all my social media sites so you don't miss out on any fun contests, gas cards, details. I give away all kinds of stuff. So make sure you follow me on all my social media sites, and thank you for checking this out. Have a wonderful day. This is Chevy Dave here at Deien Chevrolet, and we make car buying great again. Have a wonderful day.